Unlocking Facebook, your path to earning money. Ever wondered if you could turn your Facebook activity into income? It's possible. Whether you're using it personally or for business, there are ways you can make Facebook work for you. Let's dive in and explore how you can earn through this popular platform. Facebook isn't just for socializing, it's a platform ripe with earning potential. From affiliate marketing to selling products, people are reaping financial rewards. Our step-by-step exploration will show you how to identify and harness these opportunities efficiently. Unlock Facebook's hidden potential with expert search methods. Target the right audiences by using strategic keywords. Discover groups, pages, and individuals aligned with your goals. This powerful search tactic can help you tap into new markets and expand your earning possibilities. Creating a Facebook page is your first step toward a professional presence. We'll guide you on setting it up with attractive visuals, catchy content, and thoughtful design, making sure you captivate your audience. A well-crafted page is essential for credibility and engagement. Now's the time to turn curiosity into action. Start exploring Facebook's earning potential today, search strategically, design a compelling page, and engage with your audience. Subscribe to our channel for more insights and watch your Facebook savvy grow into a profitable adventure.